What's up guys, I'm going to show you how to connect your Google apps to N8N, and this method will keep them from logging out, every 7 days. If you guys like that, then just leave a like, and you guys want to see some more stuff around AI, then just hit subscribe. So to get started, you're going to need to come to your Google Cloud, and you can see I've already got a project, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to need to find a way to create a new project. So I'll click on my first project and I'll just hit new project, and I'll just name this N8N tutorial. And then from here, you just want to hit create. Okay, and so now you can see it's been created up here. So we'll go to that N8N tutorial. And then what you want to do from here is go to APIs and services. You want to come to OAuth consent screen. Once you're in the consent screen, just hit get started. And I'll just call this N8N. And I'll put my own email as the support email. We'll go next. And then internal just means that you're creating it for, your own organization. And then external means that anybody with a Google account can use it. So we'll hit external and we'll hit next. Put whatever email you want for the contact information. Hit next and just tick that and hit continue. And then once that's done, hit create. Okay, once you've done that, you want to come to audience. Underneath publishing status, you want to hit publish app and hit confirm. And from here, you just want to go to clients. Then we'll hit create client, and it'll just be a web application. I'll just name it N8N again. And then what you want to do here is grab the redirect URL or URI from N8N. So create your workflow, open up whatever Google program you're going to use, and you want to hit select create new credential, hit create new credential, and then just copy this URL there. Come back, click on add URI, paste that in, and hit create. So from here, I'll just copy this client ID, paste it in there. Then I'll copy this client secret and I'll paste that in there as well. And from here, you just want to go sign in with Google, and then choose the account that you want to sign in with. And if your app's not verified by Google, then this will probably come up, and which it most likely won't be verified, but I don't know. Hit advanced. And then from there, you want to hit on whatever is saying at the bottom. So go to whatever domain you're using to host N8N. And then you just want to hit select all, and then hit continue. And then you can see the account is connected. So now the account's connected, but there's one more thing that we'll need to do. If you can see, there's still not loading up the sheets in my account. So all we need to do is come back to the cloud. And what you need to do now is go and search up whatever Google program or app you're using. For me, it's going to be Google Sheets, and we're just going to hit enable. And then I'll click back on the list. Oh, still nothing. Oh, okay. So I enabled Google Sheets, but you can see I need to enable Google Drive. So now we'll go to Drive, Google Drive. We'll hit enable. Then we'll come back and let's check again. And you can see that it's working now. So yeah.